Hey guys, it's Katie. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to do a grocery haul. I haven't done a grocery haul in a long time, but I do have a playlist with a bunch of grocery hauls. I did them weekly for maybe 2 years, so if you want to see some old, outdated grocery hauls, you can see down there. I do have meal plans on those grocery hauls too, so you might get something beneficial out of them. But I went to Lidl today. I've been shopping at Lidl a lot lately, and I know a lot of people are curious about them. They're starting to expand all over the country. I've been shopping at mine for more than a year, and it's my sort of regular shop. It's convenient location. It's a lot easier to get in and out of than Aldi, and I'm pretty much happy with everything they have there. There's, a few specialty items I still pick up at other stores, but like my main shop has been at Lidl for a while. So I actually have a pretty big haul here today. I had a $20 off a $100 or more purchase, and it was actually kind of a struggle to spend $100 at Lidl. Everything is just so reasonably priced. When you start putting things in your cart and they're only like 89 cents and $1.19 and like $1.29 for items, you need to shop a lot to make it to $100. But I had this coupon. It was expiring the end of April, and I feel like $20 off $100 of anything that I want to buy. I think like alcohol's excluded, but that's a good coupon because then it's basically using a coupon on things you don't normally get coupons on, like fresh produce and things like that. So anyway, that's a little bit of a ramble. I'm gonna load this up on the table and let you see what I got after the coupon and all of the tax was added on and everything like that. All of this came to $92, and I'll show you what I got. All right, so here we go. I got it packed pretty tight here on the table. I do have some here on this chair and some on this chair as well. But this is everything I got, $92.66. I don't necessarily have a meal plan. Most of this stuff was either because it was a good deal or it's kind of stock up things that I know that we'll use in order to get to that $100. So one of the biggest reasons I went in is to get some leftover Easter hams. These were still the Easter price at 69 cents a pound. I'm guessing they may go lower. There wasn't a ton, but the sale changes tonight. Like, tomorrow will be a different sale. So I'll go back and see if it's like 39, 49 cents, which is a lot of times what the clearance price would be. I might get one or two more. Normally, I would have just gotten one at 69 cents a pound price, but I wanted to get to $100, and my back is hurting, and I was shopping, and my cart was being filled up, and I was like adding the prices up in my head. I got to like $60, and my cart was filled, and I was done shopping. So I got some kind of bigger ticket items, and so the hams were around like $4 or $5 each. And I'll put these, one will go in the freezer. We'll probably have one this week, roasted as a ham dinner, and then use leftovers in various ways. All right, got lots of fresh produce. Let's see, these Brussels sprouts, I've been getting 2 pound, like they come in 1 pound packages. I've been getting 2 pounds of vegetables lately since my children are growing. So I got 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts. These were $1.49 each, so $1.49 a pound. Also, the asparagus was a good price. I think this was, at the store for Easter. Easter is over, so it was marked down to 99 cents a pound. They're a little large, but they look good. I got 2 packs that look good. And then the green beans, these were $1.99 a pound. That's a little bit higher than my usual buy price, but we've had these before and they are phenomenal. So I got 2 packs of those. The raspberries were on sale for $1.49. Normally at that price I would have gotten like 1 or 2, but like I said, trying to stock up here. I got some Romaine Hearts. I think they're like $1.89 for 3. My son's like, "What are you doing, Mama?" He's never seen me film a grocery haul before. My daughter has seen me film plenty. Cucumber, I think it was like $1 something. The spinach was on sale. This is not the baby spinach, but it was like $1.29 for, I don't know, this is 8 ounces, but spinach is a lot. So I will be adding that to salad, smoothies, all sorts of stuff. I got a cabbage for 69 cents a pound, and I will be making halushka. I have that recipe on my channel. It's braised cabbage and bacon with either dumplings or noodles, so that's a quick, easy go-to meal that my whole family loves. I got a spaghetti squash. This is something that can sit here. I have my fruit and veggies hang out here that don't go in the fridge, so this can hang out for a few weeks if I don't end up needing it. But I think it was 79 cents a pound, so that's a decent price. I got some carrots just to have. The eggs were on sale because Easter, obviously. And these were $1.29. They're cage-free, they're not organic, so that was a little compromise on my part. I got some blueberry bagels. My daughter loves bagels. She likes to have them in her lunch, and she likes to have them for breakfast. So I usually get the little mini ones, and they only come in plain and raspberry, or plain and cinnamon raisin. So I got the bigger ones because the per ounce price was a better price, and they came in blueberry, so I thought I would try that. Got some store brand mayonnaise. We've tried this. We usually get the Duke's. This is just as good, and it's, and again, another compromise. I have a how to make homemade mayonnaise, which if you really love mayonnaise, you should try making homemade. But I don't have a chance to make that all the time. And because I buy the, I usually buy pastured eggs and the avocado oil, making homemade mayonnaise is really expensive. So when you're using like cups at a time for spring salads and summer salads, I compromise and buy the store brand stuff. Yes, climb up there if you want. I got the bread. The bread was an outrageous price. Let me find my receipt. I just looked and the bread was 39 cents a loaf. My son's a little upset. He saw me laying all this food out and he thought that we were, like, he got into his high chair and started reaching for food, like this was going to be our lunch or something. So I had to disappoint him and tell him that no, we are not eating $100 worth of food for lunch. So he's upstairs a little upset with me. But anyway, the bread was 39 cents a loaf and I got 2, so I'll put one in the freezer. I got some limes. Lidl has been having the lemons on sale lately, so I've been getting a lot of lemons for lemon water and stuff like that. But there's been a few times where I wish I had a lime instead of lemon. So I just grabbed a few. I still have some lemons in the fridge. So some limes, some jalapenos. This package, half a pound, was 99 cents. So not a great price, but whatever. The cauliflower was $2.49. Again, not my usual buy price, but it looked good. And I got a ton of like side dish veggies. So I'm set for the week. I'm going to make Brussels sprouts one night, green beans one night, asparagus one night, and then I can either steam or roast the cauliflower one night. I got these pecans. They were by the register. They were $5 for 8 ounces, which isn't like a super great deal, but I wanted to make sure I got to 100. And I don't know, my brain was a bit fried by the time I got to the register. But I did. I made it. I probably would have still made it without those, but that's fine. We'll eat them. Got 2 packs of bananas here. I got some tea. Tea is really good at Lidl. I was buying my tea at Trader Joe's a lot. They had a big selection, good prices, and they have pared down, at least at my Trader Joe's, they have pared down their tea selection to like 5 things. And the selection at Lidl is not like enormous, but it's even bigger than Trader Joe's, and the price is good. So this one is chamomile and peppermint. It's a really good combination. And then this is just plain chamomile. And they're like $1.89 a box for 20 tea bags. Except orange juice. They had a lot of like brunchy stuff on sale for Easter. So the orange juice was $1.29. This is like the not from concentrate. It's not the calcium fortified one, which I usually get since I'm dairy free, but it was the one that was on sale. So I got it. We'll drink it. I got some Oat Loops. These are Cheerios. That's what my kids eat a lot. I got this. This is the first time I've seen Lidl brand, like store brand almond milk. It was only $1.69, so I thought I would give it a try. They normally carry, and they still carry, the almond breeze, and they have all of the, well, most of the flavors, like the basic flavors. They have the vanilla unsweetened, and then the original. So that was a pretty good price. I think I usually pay like $2.69 for the almond breeze at Lidl. So try that. I got 2 things of whole milk for the kids. Those are $2.99 a pack. I got Navel Oranges. This was 4 pounds. I think it was like $1.69. This is a really good price considering we're kind of easing out of the citrus season. I got some frozen peas. I always like to keep them on hand. And these, the thing about the frozen vegetables at Lidl is they're not a full pound, which kind of is a bummer, but the price reflects that. So these were 85 cents a pound. So I got a bunch. And I think I already talked about this stuff. I got the breakfast sausage. My husband has been really into making bigger breakfasts on the weekends, especially since my daughter goes to school during the week and we have quick breakfast most days now. And so these are just going to go in the freezer. He wakes up early, makes breakfast for everybody, so I'm not going to complain about that. So they're normally $2.49, and they go on sale often for $2, but I think they were $1.50. I'm pretty sure they were $1.50. They might have been $1.29. Let me look on my receipt. I spent way too long in the grocery store and everything. Oh yeah, they were $1.25, and then with the additional like 20 off of 100, took off 23 cents. So they were $1 a pack. And Lidl has limits on some things that you buy that are on sale. So this was limit 4. I got 4, and they'll just go in the freezer. I got this half pork loin. It was $1.39 a pound. these are super easy. I take rosemary and thyme and whatever herbs out of the garden. I chop them up, and salt and pepper. I roll it. I put it out on the cutting board, and I roll the pork in those herbs. I put it in a roasting pan, and I roast it with a thermometer in there, and I cook it till it's done. It makes a really impressive but simple like Sunday dinner or dinner for company or just like a weeknight dinner, because since I'm home I can throw it in the oven whenever, and it's pretty hands off as far as cooking. So anyway, blah blah blah. There's a lot of me talking in this video. Butter. It's again one of those things I knew that I would use. Might as well stock up on it while I needed to make it to $100. The organic blueberries were on sale. These are 10-ounce packages. I think they were $1.25. Let's see. Let's just see. All right, yeah, the blueberries, they were $1.59 and then additional 29 cents off because of the discount. So that's a really good price for some frozen blueberries. We use those in smoothies. I also like to have frozen fruit on hand. Are you coming back? Are you going to yell at me again? Yeah. You want to eat the raspberries, I know. I like to have frozen fruit like strawberries, blueberries, mixed berries, things like that, because what you can do is pour like whatever amount that you need into a bowl, microwave them, and then smash them up, and they make a really good topping for like waffles and pancakes and stuff. Because A, maple syrup is expensive, and B, I don't necessarily want my kids having that much like pure sugar. You know how you love pouring like a gallon of maple syrup on your pancakes? So anyway, that's a good way. Sometimes I do put maple syrup in, especially if it's strawberries. Sometimes they're a little bit sour, but I don't know. To me, it's a better topping for children and adults for pancakes, waffles, French toast, things like that. I see. You want me to strap you in?
Yes.
I'm almost done, okay? Last thing here, I got some flour. It's always a good price at Lidl. It's always right around $1 a 5-pound bag. So I think it was like $1.15 this time. It wavers between like $1.15, $1.05, something like that. So I can always use flour. And then the last thing I have here, because it didn't fit on the table, these pasta sauces. They're just basic pasta sauces. They're 85 cents. I think their regular price is only like 95 cents or something like that. And it's, I could use this for everything. I use it obviously for pasta, but just also like stuffed cabbage, and I can put this as pizza sauce and just like a whole bunch of stuff. A whole bunch of recipes use pasta sauce. And at 85 cents, I usually get Prego. I'm pretty brand loyal to Prego. And I think like even the best sale price I can find is still right around $2, like $1.69, $1.89, something like that. And so 85 cents, yes, I will take it. All right, I think that's everything. That's our Lidl haul, $92.66. Appreciate you watching my video. You can leave any questions and comments down below. If you want to see more Lidl hauls, let me know. I always think, oh, this would be something that would be interesting, because I know Lidls aren't everywhere, and they're in my area, so I shop there all the time, and I'm always like, oh, I bet you people who are just getting a Lidl would be curious, or people who have never heard of a Lidl might be curious, but, I don't always have the ability to film one, but I can work on that if that's something that you would like to see. All right, that's enough of me for today. I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching. So, bye! Can you say bye?
Bye.
No, like, bye!
Bye.
No, like, bye!
Bye.
All right, bye.